Let's learn about finding unit rate from a simple ratio. A car travels 300 miles in 6 hours. What is the unit rate of miles per hour? Let's get a key information here. The car is traveling 300 miles in 6 hours. So we have a ratio of miles per hour. Miles per hour. We want to find the unit rate of miles per hour that the car is traveling. We can also write this ratio as miles over hours, or 300 miles per 6 hours. So we have 300 miles per 6 hours. A unit rate is going to have a 1 in the denominator. So to do that, we have to divide 6 into that 300. So 6 goes into 350 times. So we have 50 miles per 1, so we divide 6 into it, 1 hour. And this is where we have a unit rate, 50 miles per 1 unit, keyword there, hour. So our answer would be 50 miles per hour, per 1 hour. So again, our answer is 50 miles per hour. I hope you learned something here about finding unit rate from a simple ratio. And as always, thanks for watching.